This is Paul Rainbird for the Santa Fe Media Network, and we're here at the opening of True West Gallery for Indian Market Weekend. And right now I'm talking to Lisa Sheridan, who's one of the partners here at True West Gallery. And I know she's been working her tail off for weeks and weeks getting ready for this, but I hope she's happy right now to give us a couple of words. Lisa?
Hello everyone, I'm Lisa Sheridan. I'm running on adrenaline with 3 hours of sleep today, but this is a great party. We're only about a half an hour into it, and we're going till 8 or 9 o'clock tonight. Last year we had over 450 people through here for the same opening party, and we hope for more this year as well. We have many of our artists present tonight. Some of them brought extra work to show. So if you can come on down anytime and take a look, I think you'll be glad you did.
Now tell us about some of the featured artists for the show this weekend, like the artist right in back of us here.
Rhett Lynch will be here, and painter Felix Vigil. We will be opening the gallery Saturday morning at 5 a.m. We'll be serving coffee and pastries and featuring both Rhett Lynch and Felix Vigil.
And so the gallery is planning on reconfiguring for those two individuals?
Yes, we'll be papering our windows Friday night and resetting the gallery for Saturday at 5 a.m.
That's incredible. It's a new thing, but it looks good. Thank you, Lisa. Good luck
Paul.
for this weekend.
Thank you.
Okay, here's Brett.